In today's video, we will be showing you how to add items to your watch list. So firstly, in order to complete this step, you would need a registered profile with an existing username and password. So the first step would be to sign into your account or profile online. Sign in. You will then navigate to find the events that you are interested in. You will click on the event that you are interested in. Under each and every asset, there is a heart icon that says watch. So you can click on the ones that you are interested in bidding on. Once you have done this, you'll go to the very top of the page, click on your name and go to watch list. The items that you have ordered will appear in your watch list, and you can bid from your watch list as well. Thank you for watching.